This is Forge AXIOM Guard, an OpenAI build-week extension for supervising AI-generated engineering artifacts. GPT 5.6 proposes a design, but Axiom accepts it only after deterministic engineering constraints have passed. Forge already contained battery modeling, validation, calculation, CAD, and the Axiom retry architecture. During build week, I added the OpenAI backend, GPT 5.6 integration, provenance capture, verified replay, tests, and this focused demonstration interface. Battery cells are the example domain. The supervision architecture itself is reusable wherever explicit validation rules can be defined. In this authentic recorded run, GPT 5.6 proposed a compact cylindrical battery cell. The first specification was structurally valid, and most individual parameters passed, but the combined geometry was impossible. Axiom calculated only 1.7 mm of winding space, below the required 2 mm. Constraint CY5 therefore rejected the design and returned precise corrective feedback. GPT 5.6 then generated a revised specification with an outer diameter of 10.5 mm. The winding space increased to 2.2 mm. All declared constraints passed, and Forge calculated the acceptance result. This colored patronage shows the complete supervision process. The generated output is parsed, checked against its schema, and evaluated by the deterministic engineering constraints. Invalid outputs enter the feedback and retry loop. Valid outputs continue through conversion and calculation. The replay controls allow every transition to be inspected step by step. Every verified replay preserves its provenance, the run ID, request and return model, token usage, originating commit, trace hash, and downloadable audit bundle. This makes the real GPT 5.6 interaction inspectable and clearly separates the original Forge platform from the build-week contribution. Codex supported the build-week implementation of the OpenAI integration, tests, replay interface, trace handleability, documentation, and packaging. GPT 5.6 generates and corrects candidate designs, but it does not make the acceptance decision. Forge calculates, Axiom validates, and the evidence remains auditable. Judges can run the verified replay without an API key or use live OpenAI mode with their own key. The model proposes, Axiom verifies, only valid artifacts proceed.